Hello chicken, welcome back to another video. This is Nail Art with Lou and I hope you're doing tickety-boo today. Before we get stuck into the video, please consider subscribing if you've not done so already, and don't forget to hit that like button too. So I have got a big box, MelodySusie box, and I'm dead excited to open this, so let's crack on and get it opened. I hope everybody's doing okay. This is my second video this morning, and we're only at about 7:45 in the morning. I've been up all night basically. I've done a video already, and then I thought, well I'm off today, I'm off work today, which is good. It's a good job, innit? Mind you, I've done it before where I've been up all night and still gone to work. I'm saying gone to work, still work. I work from home majority of the time. Now and again I need to go into office, but not that often. Right, my chickens, got it open. So got the usual that you get with it. So this has been sent by the lovely Wendy. So thank you so much for sending me this. I've got some lovely stickers. Oh, they're different as well. Been a bit of a change with stickers, haven't there? Fabulous stickers that you always get. And then you have your little booklet, which is fab. Nail dust collectors as well. And then your colours on there. I've got some lovely polishes from them. Gel polishes. The plant-based ones are really lovely. And really fancy bottles as well, which is really nice. The sort of till, I ain't got them at hand, otherwise I'd show you, but they sort of till a little bit so that if you're getting down to the end of your bottle, you can get into it easily enough. So yeah, they have some fabulous stuff. So here I have got P Series PPror dust collecting pen. And I'm dead excited about it. I do have a MelodySusie dust extractor, and the lovely Tracy gave me it from Pink Pixie Tips. And I use that, and do you know what? I'm going to be using dust collectors a lot more because I'm going to be doing acrylic. So yeah, I'm going to be using them a heck of a lot more. Hopefully, if it goes well. Today is actually Friday morning, and tonight I will be doing my live with my acrylic swatching. Hopefully I might have a sleep this afternoon at some point, because otherwise I'm going to be exhausted. I went to bed last night at 9 o'clock, just after, because I was absolutely shattered. Woke up at 11:30 and I've been up since. So there you have it. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I'm all excited about this. Oh, nail dust collector filter paper. Oh, let's get that open then, shall we? Got a little. Oh, I need to get a few. Oh, 30 pieces. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Fabulous. 30 pieces of filter paper as well. So you've got your warranty information there. And you've got your instruction manual. English, Dutch and French. Maintenance work, checking before using. And gives you all your instructions. There, look. If you want to see that and take a screenshot, then feel free to do so. Right, okay. So that's those. Oh, look at it. It's the cutest thing ever. Oh, my days. That is so cute. I haven't even opened it and got it out of box proper yet. Oh, that is so cute and nifty, isn't it? Oh, MelodySusie, I love it already. You get your adapters as well, which is always fab, innit? There we go, look. I don't think I'm going to need it because I've got stuff plugged in already. But have I got one? Let's just bear with. There we go. Got it plugged in now. And I don't know if it's a rechargeable one or not. Oh, I love it. It's a proper cutest. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's proper cute. I love it. I know that sounds really daft, but I'll show you what I've got going on at the minute. It's that one, which is fabulous. And I've loved using it and still love using it. Same love, I will still use it. Got that up there. But then this one in Andy, in it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next. Oh. Might not be helpful if I read instructions, might it? So, switch gear buttons, indicator lights, filter paper cover and charging point. In the off state, long press the switch button for 2 seconds to turn on the machine. Which defaults to running gear 1. Right. Oh, that's good. It's magnetised. Right. Fabulous, isn't it? Oops, took a few out there. Just the one. Right, okay. Presuming. Fabulous. Right, let's have a look. After turning the machine on, short press the gear button to switch between gears 1, 2 and 3 and the indicator light will illuminate in the corresponding colour. During operation, if the filter paper cover is removed, the machine will pause and the indicator light for the current gear will pulse. When the filter paper cover is replaced, the machine will resume operation. If the pause state caused by removing the filter paper cover lasts for 20 minutes, the machine will automatically shut down. So there we have it, isn't it absolutely lovely? I think it's a proper nifty little thing. So, got my filter. Going to put that there. What I'm going to do is have a little tidy up of my nails, which need a little tidy up. And we'll see how it goes. So let me get my little nail file, my MelodySusie one, which I also love. This one, and I'll put what bits am I using. I do need to sort out my cuticles, so I'm going to use that one. And I've got plenty of charge on it, look. Didn't know if I would have or not. I tend to try and keep them charged up as much as I can. This is a lovely file as well, MelodySusie. So this is on red at the moment, so now I'm not sure how bad that is. I'm saying how bad. It's not too bad for me, obviously I can hear it. But I don't know how it's going to sound for you. But I'm just going to go around my cuticles a little bit and see how we get on. But this is only on power mode 1. So it is suctioning that power mode 1. I can feel me having to tug it off. I do power mode 2. You can hear it go up again, can't you? Yeah, it's much stronger, that. Right, let me do 3. Good grief. That is strong, wow. So 2-second press here will will start it and it'll be power mode 1. You press it again, power mode 2, press it again, power mode 3, and then press it and hold and it'll switch it off. So let me go ahead and do it and use it then. But let me just have a right good look at it, because it is lovely. You can get them in different colours. So I think there's a green one I was contemplating, because it were a really lovely green, really pastel-y green. It were lovely, but I thought I'm going to have to go with what I've got. Well, they did have a pink one, but I thought I'm going to go with purple. You know, I love my purple, so I went with purple. And they have a white one as well, I think. Now, I thought it were going to be, I am chuffed it's this size, really, really chuffed, because I thought it's going to be smaller than the one I've got, which is good. It's not going to be sort of the same size, otherwise what's the point kind of thing. It's going to be smaller than the one that I've got, and it's significantly smaller than what I thought it were going to be. I thought it were going to be like this, but I love it. I absolutely love that it's like that. Yeah, I'm just a bit smitten. I just think it's proper cute. It is, isn't it? Cute. Right, put it on 1. Let's see how we go. I know it might be a little bit noisy for you, my lovelies, but just bear with me. Oh, two seconds. I mean, I'm only doing this a little bit, to be fair, because I've not been wearing nails for a little while, but I should have been looking after my cuticles a bit more, actually. Than I have been doing. I don't want to leave it going forever, so I'll turn it off now, so I don't want it to be too noisy for you. But you get the gist. That's power 1. It's got that light indicating white. I'm just trying to show you how. And that's just on power 1, and it's curling up at there, look. Just wanting to suck it up into it, kind of thing. And put it on 2. You can see it curling much more there, look. So it shows you the difference in the power. And then 3. Oh, a massive difference, isn't there? And you see it. But yes, my lovelies, I'm pretty chuffed with that. I think it's absolutely fabulous. I love the fact that you get 30 replacement filters as well. So that's really, really handy, isn't it? Didn't expect that. Let me pop them back if I can. I'm going to have to fold them back in there. So yeah, that's really, really handy. And yeah, I love the colour. Love the fact that it's small. And it's just ideal, isn't it, really? Thank you so much, Wendy, for sending me this. It's going to really, really come in handy. And you'll probably see, I'm not saying a lot of it, because I'm not going to be doing acrylic all the time. I'm going to start doing acrylic more. So you'll more than likely see me using a dust collector more. And I know you can use it obviously for gels and what have you as well. But I've not been using much of them either, have I? So yes, thank you ever so much for sending me this. I really do appreciate it. I do have a discount on MelodySusie. If you're interested, you can go and have a look in my description. I'll put it up on screen, my code and what have you for MelodySusie, so you can get a bit of a discount on that. And yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I really appreciate this. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I love the size of it. I love the colour of it. It matches my mat. My mat's pinky though, but it does match. It matches enough for me. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Wendy, for sending me this. Really do appreciate it, my lovely. Please take care, everybody. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.